Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to make video on RedNote. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly use the RedNote app here to start creating your videos. Well, in this case, let's go ahead and first open up the RedNote app here. And from here, let's go and click on the plus button that you see at the very bottom of your screen or bottom center. Now, in here, it might require you or ask you to provide permissions or certain permissions, like permissions to your camera and your photos or your gallery here. So go ahead and provide that. But once you've done that, what you could do is you could just basically choose whatever way you want to create. So first is by default, you'll be redirected to the album. So if you already have the existing video or photo or anything that you have or media in here, you can actually use that as a way to make your content. But you could also filter them by video. So if you click on video at the very top, you can filter them by photo, as you can see right now. Top left, you also have the other option to basically view other videos, as you can see right now. You also have the option to create an image to text at the top right. So if you want to create content, create image from text here. So yeah. Also, if you click on the templates at the bottom left here, this allows you to use templates that is available within the platform itself. As you can see, think of templates as kind of like filters or filters that you could use for your videos. So you could go ahead and use them. So for example, if you want to use this one, go ahead and click on it. And from here, just click on use now to use that template. Now, if you choose camera at the very bottom here, this actually allows you to use your camera to take videos through the app itself. But you also need to allow access for this one. So let's go and choose while using the app. And from here, it's going to ask you to allow RedNote to record audio. You could go and click on while using this app here. And from here, you could go and just basically start recording whatever you want. So you can also do add filters or add beautify here. You can even reverse the option. Let's go and click on reverse here. So you could reverse your camera if you want to use your front camera. You can either choose video format or you choose photo at the very top here. You have the option to switch over. You can even use, like, for example, certain filters for your account here. So if you want to go ahead and use that, you can go ahead. And from here, yeah, so you could go ahead and just start recording whatever you want here. And if you want to add music, you can go ahead and click on the music at the very top. And from here, it actually allows you to search for music that you might want to use for a video. Now, also, if you want to go live, you could go and click on live at the bottom right here. And from here on, you can go and go live. But then again, this is not what we're looking for. Let's go and click cancel here. Let's go to camera. And from here, you can just basically press on it. So it's going to start recording. So if you want to stop it, you could go ahead and click on the stop button here. So if you want to add effects or whatnot, you can even delete this, reverse it if you want. So if you want to start recording again, just click on it. But yeah, so you could basically make pauses here just in case you want to make changes or whatever. But once you're done, you can go and click on the check at the top right here or bottom right here to basically click on done. Now from here, you could add stickers, text, effects, and trim. So this is quite similar to other platforms out there. So yeah, so it's the great thing about the RedNote app here, it's quite similar to platforms like Instagram or even TikTok, but they also give you the other option to add stickers, clips, even clip the actual video here, add filters, templates, which is something really cool. But once you're done, click on next at the bottom right. And from here, it's going to say requesting access to your location. You can go and click on confirm here. Now, from here, you can add your title, description. You can set this to public or for private or visible only to selected users. But once you're done, you could either click on save to draft at the bottom right here, bottom left here, or you could go ahead and click on post at the bottom right to directly post this into your account. But yeah, so that's how you make a video here in RedNote. In this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.